What's up, Social Squad? Today we are going to be detoxifying, cleansing, and nursing our type 4 hair back to health. Y'all, of course, I was inspired by this video from Isimeme Edeko, but here is my version and I can't wait for y'all to see it. So let's go. Freedom, freedom. The new growth. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm not trying to lose any hair, is like saturate my hair in conditioner. We are not trying to lose the new growth that we just received, okay? Conditioner of choice, curl hydration or curl hydrate. Always a good go-to when you just want some slip real quick. I don't care, y'all. I ain't trying to lose no more hair. So we're just gonna take that and just like plait it on our hair, just so we are not working on any dry hair. And I'm just pop these with the comb, that way they aren't snagging. And it's not painful, I'm just doing the most. Oh, my hair is dirty. All right, I'm gonna just do this and then I'll be back. Alrighty, so during this clip, my hair was super duper tangled, so I had to use my fingers and detangle that way. That way I didn't cause any unnecessary breakage. So y'all, I highly recommend doing the conditioner first. And let me tell you why. I know I touched on it a little bit before, but y'all, the time it cuts from your wash day process, the fact that you don't lose nearly as much hair in the shower, all because you started with the conditioner before a shampoo, y'all, I'm telling you, this right here needs to be the new thing. We are finally done with I feel like the hardest part. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my bentonite clay. First, I'm gonna show you how much hair I lost from the detangling process. And this is 3 weeks of me not manipulating my hair, but this is all the hair that I just lost. And it's kind of like bundled with rubber bands, so it's not that much hair. I'm actually pretty happy. My hair wasn't being ripped out, it was just shedded hair coming out. And that's the goal, y'all, just the shedded hair, not anything extra. So, grab the bentonite clay mask. Okay, I had a chip right. Do I have my bowl? I don't have like the Aztec bentonite clay, but I do have my sister's ancient healing clay, which is pretty much the same thing. The ingredients somewhere here. 100% natural calcium bentonite. Same thing as the Aztec clay, just a different name. This right here is 31 fluid ounces. It is for your face. Maybe I should do this on my face too. It's a mood. That's what I'm gonna do. I got this. I'm gonna mix this bad boy up with some ACV, apple cider vinegar, with the mother in that bad boy. Unfiltered, unpasteurized, the real deal. Everything is inside of here to detox and cleanse these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful type 4 tresses. And I can't wait to show you all the process of me adding this to my hair. I don't know who I'm fooling with this, but it's gonna hold today. Add a bunch of this, like no measurements. Extra, this is what happens, okay? That much in the clay. Okay, sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Mixture finally. This is about how much I'm probably gonna use. I probably need a little more because my hair is thick. It's not like super long, but it is pretty dense. My hair is still pretty moist from the conditioner being added to it. I'm not rinsing it out. Just put it on top. It ain't that deep. This will act as my deep conditioner this time because it's detoxifying and deep conditioning my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my cleanser today, which is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. This is with castor and aniseed oil. Camille Rose is probably one of my favorite hair brands to use simply because they use mostly all natural ingredients, smell good, black owned, woman owned, okay? And that's on per. I take about that much and just apply it to my hair. Yeah. Come on, treatment. Definitely section more pieces off to make sure I get every strand fully coated. This is a great way to get rid of, you remember all that dirt we saw a couple clips ago, but my hair being disgusting at the roots. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of all that with this. Hair will be nice and detox. You're gonna twist it back up. I'm not going in with a comb again because we just combed our hair and the conditioner was sitting there. There's no point of doing all that over manipulation type jazz, okay? Predictions, y'all, save the day. Because I still follow 3 simple steps when it comes to taking care of my hair. I usually condition first, and then we're gonna go with the cleanser, and then we'll go in with the conditioner again. I don't have any mask in the house right now, but this is doing enough in itself. And now just going with that conditioner just to finish it off and put some moisture back into my hair. This is so good for my hair, like the treatment. My hair is in here in its own language, just thanking me for just nursing it and taking care of it. Y'all, I was one of them people that used to rush as well. Rushing, I feel like, defeated me from growing my hair because I've been natural for a long time. My hair should be on my thigh. My hair should be longer than what it is right now, and due to me planning it, over manipulating, over doing the most, trying to stay up with all these trends and stuff, which is no shade. Hey, I love it. I love watching all the new products and videos, but for me personally, it was preventing my hair from like thriving at its full potential. So no more of that for me. And this is one of the ways of me just calming down and really enjoying, like, watching my hair love me. I'm just all about that love, y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with somebody just being positive and wanting the best for every aspect of their life and your life too. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish putting this on the rest of my hair, then I'll be back. It's gonna sit on here for about 30 minutes. We are complete. Just let this sit in my hair for that. I'm gonna go in my kitchen and rinse it with cold water. Start off with some cold water. Water. All right, as you can see, the shower is done. It's time for me to wash my hair. Let's hop on in there and finish the rest. Alrighty, so yes, I like to start on focusing on that scalp, okay? We gotta take care of thy scalp. That's where all the action happens. That's where all the dirt builds up on. That's where all of the hair grows. That's where all the tension comes from. So take care of the scalp, okay? Scalp health is important and is oftentimes overlooked. Alrighty, so I'm putting it on my scalp, and then eventually you'll see me untwist each twist and then focus on like getting all that crap out of my hair. Not crap, all the debris, the dirt, bacteria, whatever you want to call it, off of my hair as well. And then we'll just go from there in a minute. Yeah, see ya. Honey, we stand a good lather. Yes, we do. All right, get the rest, girl. So yes, we are now at the most important step, putting moisture back into our strands, honey, okay? So by doing so, we're going to add some more conditioner. I had to use the Isimeme one. I was going to use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Shea Moisture Conditioner, but y'all see I ran out. But I highly recommend keeping some masks in your house, keeping deep conditioners at hand, because that is super duper important and vital. But as long as you put some moisture back in your hair and let it penetrate those strands, you will be good, honey. So I want to include that tip, and let's keep on getting on with the video. So hold on, wait a minute. Let me just put y'all on real quick. So I went and finished and rinsed my hair out because my camera decided to die. Just know that I rinsed my hair out with cool water and I'm gonna reveal itself, okay? Get stuck into this. Oh my gosh. What is going on, bro? One job, just slide out. That's all you had to do. Oh, looking like I belong on Don't Be a Menace. Hey, you trying to defeat the person to be doing all this to my head, teacher? We getting better, getting better. This time this year, this is gonna be massive because we growing our hair all year long. I could share it right now. Alright y'all, so we are just about at the end of today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed me going for the ride and taking care of my hair. I highly recommend trying out this method. It really works for me. Hopefully it will work for you. Let me know what methods you like to use down below when you take your protective style out, or however you go about your wash day and however you go about taking care of your natural hair. Do you have type 4 hair? What's your hair type? What's your porosity type? Let's just talk down below. So make sure you leave a comment down there if you enjoyed today's video. If not, feel free to dislike it. But that's basically all I have for you all. I did section off my hair according to the way I want to style it. Of course, there's going to be some mini twists or like jumbo. Until then, remember, you are loved, you are loved, and you, my love, are light, okay? I love you all. I shall see you all on my next one. Be out.